Okay, so we see the hot water heater. You see it dripping right there. You can hear it. It's coming all the way up. It's coming off of that fitting, but it's
also off the top.
See it coming from up there.
Running all the way off the back.
But the source is right in there. Okay. The main vent, I believe. So then you've got some, it's pooling up there and coming all along the side. So your pan is actually catching a lot of it. And then it's going out that drain line. That drain line right out there. It's going out that line all the way out to the outside. But the part that's causing the damage on the inside is this right here. And that's a pretty constant drip.
Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Yeah, it's hot.